This lady heard a strange sound and suddenly rushed out to see what was going on, but she was shocked when she found water flooding the hallway. Confused and alarmed, she decided to find out where all that water was coming from. After a long and frantic search, she finally discovered a room where the water seemed to be pouring out. But when she decided to open the door, she was completely shocked by what she saw. I'll show you, but first, if you think this dog is cute, like this video and subscribe. And take a look at this poor kitten. Its owner abandoned him and he's been hungry and thirsty for days. Truly heartbreaking. If you are a truly kind person, leave a heart emoji in the comments. Trust me, you will have incredible luck. Share this video with your friends so this poor kitten can be saved.